Add ground beef to the tortillas and all you'll want to do is cook this recipe. I open the ground beef in the tortilla like this. Here I'm showing you two, but I've made several because here at home everyone loves them. There's nothing left. I make tortillas like this almost every day. To continue, add salt to taste. And then a little red onion too, and the amount is to taste. Then we'll put some olive oil in a frying pan and brush it on to grease it. Then place the tortilla with the ground beef facing down and fry it for 5 minutes. Our meat is already well fried, now let's turn it over. Now we're going to put a slice of cheese on top, which can be any cheese you like. Now let's make our sauce. Add 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of mustard. Add a chopped clove of garlic and a tablespoon of oregano. Now just mix it up, people. This sauce is perfect. I also cut up 4 lettuce leaves and a sliced tomato, and you can fill it with whatever you like. Let me know which filling you're going to use for your tortilla. Now let's fill our tortillas with 2 slices of tomato pickles. Lettuce. Red onion to taste, and we'll fill all the tortillas in the same way, people. This is a complete meal. You can start your meal at lunch, snack or dinner at any time. It's so delicious. I'm going to put the filled tortillas here on this platter. And I would eat these tortillas for breakfast. And the best thing is that it's so quick to make. And what rating this recipe deserves, let me know, because I really want to know, and we can put our... The sauce is mouth-watering. How delicious! And now all you have to do is serve it. There won't be any leftovers, people. So that's it, my loves. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Mm-hmm.